I've been working on this for a while. Originally, about a year and a half ago, I made the handle and the trigger mechanism for it. Takes a pin or a nail for a pin in that bottom hole, but it drops out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a magnet on this somewhere. Okay. This barrel is not it wouldn't be any good. It's too big for 22. But what I was thinking about doing, you see I've got this block here. This block has got a hole drilled in it that a 22 shell will fit in. It lines up with this barrel right here. And if I'm doing something dangerous, let me know. The pin will go in here up against the 22 shell. So what I was going to do is put a 22 blank in there, like the kind they use in 22 nail guns, the nail guns. Don't shoot anything out of them. And I want to get a straw that'll fit about like that, cut them like that, seal them on the ends and put BBs inside it, put it in the back end. Let's see if I can make a little scatter gun out of it. I guess it'd be first of a kind. We'll mess around with that. Get any ideas? Tell me if I'm doing something dangerous. Let me know. What do you think? Do you think that will work? Got a few adjustments to make. I got to make a front sight for it still, and this is only temporary holding this in like that. I'm gonna make some clamps to hold the barrel down in there. If I find a barrel I can actually use a 22 bullet with, then I'll do that. I'll take all this out and put a regular barrel on for a 22, and it should shoot 22s out of it. Be like a single shot 22. Let me know what you think. I'll call this video 22 scatter gun.